thank you so much for joining me on my very first vlog, and we are going from Delhi to Amritsar. So it's been a super smooth ride. We drove all the way from Delhi to Amritsar, and you can see the entrance gate from here. It is also called historically Ramdaspur and colloquially as Amritsar. I am so excited because it's been my dream to come to Amritsar like for the longest time possible. Let me tell you, Guru Ram Das, the fourth Sikh Guru, is credited with founding the holy city of Amritsar in the Sikh tradition. And finally, we did reach home. We are being hosted by the Khannas. They're like lovely family friends of ours, and we'll be living in this very, very beautiful house for the next 3 days. And we settle in, have some yum food, and now it's time to make some reels. And then we headed to Harmandir
This
Sahib.
is the Heritage Walk in Amritsar, and we have this beautiful music playing in the background. It's all live. Heritage Walk. That's the Fulkari shop, and we are getting closer to the Golden Temple. And here we have another Gurudwara, Saravi. Isn't it so pretty? Absolutely stunning.
Oh, is that a hotel?
Jallianwala Bagh was shut due to the COVID lockdown scenario, but we did not miss the opportunity to take a quick picture outside the site.
So we're at the end of the Heritage Walk, and this is a very famous Shani Mandir for which they've not been able to change the color as per the color scheme that has been given to the rest of the area, and they say anytime they try and do that, something or the other goes wrong. So I think they've just given up on doing that. The Shani temple remains as it is, it remains blue, and how lovely.
So this has to be one of the most gorgeous nights of my life, where I got the darshan of the Golden Temple, also known as Harmandir Sahib, literally meaning abode of God in Punjabi. And then we did what most tourists do, took a full round, ate the langar. It was super cold, soaked in the atmo, and it was divine. After the most soul satisfying darshan, we headed back to where our car was parked, and we took an e-rickshaw. It was a lovely ride on this chilly night.
E-rickshaw. Sometimes the heritage out of technology.
So we came back home to this beautiful garden lit up due to Christmas, and next
We
morning
are here today at Kanhai Sweets for probably elsewhere. Let me figure. Going inside for some yum puris, which are supposed to be super famous. And okay, I guess we'll be feasting on this. Alrighty.
So this is the most iconic place on Lawrence Road, and you get puri, chole, absolutely yum, sweet potato sabzi also. Super recommended for anybody visiting Amritsar. So we completely feasted. You can see all the happy faces, and the puris were coming, like completely piping hot. And there was this absolutely not to be missed lassi with a thick layer of malai. Gajar ka halwa, not so good. And then we headed to Lubhia Ram special aam papad place. Must go and pack up stuff back for wherever you're returning to. So after packing all of that, we headed to Wagah border, which was shut, and then we stopped on the way. to enjoy some sarson ke khet and did a impromptu photo shoot which we really enjoyed, all of us.
Sorry,
Oh, you should take my phone.
Rushan, don't go inside.
So this is the perfect example of the improvisation that we do. I had this Fulkari chunni which I quickly took out and we did this little shoot which was super amazing. I felt like the Simran of DDLJ in the Sarson Ka Khet, waiting for my Raj to arrive. And trust me, what I was thinking right now was, मैं आ रहा हूँ सिमरन.
ख्वाब मैं अपना जोड़ लूं, तू साथ ना हो तो चार कदम ना चल पाऊं.
So after exploiting the Sarson Ka Khet for some lovely pictures, we headed to Pul Muran, also which used to be called as Pul Kanjari. Now this is a heritage site. It is super close to the Wagah border, and hence in the evening while the sun was setting, the atmosphere was absolutely surreal. There were gorgeous sounds of azan coming from one side and of shadab coming from the other side. I just cannot explain how beautiful it was. So my Muran, for whom it was built, was born in a Muslim family in Makhanpur near Lahore and Amritsar. She later married Maharaja Ranjit Singh a year after he became the Maharaja of Lahore at the age of 21 and was officially given a name of Maharani Sahiba. She was a Naut girl. Maharaja Ranjit Singh used to meet her in the Punjab region of India and Pakistan, a gorgeous love story there. She used to dance for him at the Biradari of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, halfway between Amritsar and Lahore. The place was since called Pul Kanjari, but as I said earlier, it's now been changed to Pul Muran. She was considered to be very talented, very learned in arts and letters, known for her philanthropic acts and for bringing Maharaja's attentions to many problems. Again, we made lots of videos and took pictures to our heart's content, enjoyed a gorgeous picnic of all the food that we had carried from home. Very spick and span place, a minimal number of tourists were there, and a must visit post your trip to Wagah border, which we missed. And then we headed out for the night. So we spent our friend's birthday at Clubhouse. Again, a super fab night. Just had a blast.
Guys, this is my song! Do you recognize it? Whoa! Let's come! मैं सब कुछ छड़ता तेरे करके, तेरे को सब कुछ वारी बैठिया, बताता है पर फिक्र नहीं, तेरे यार एक बारी लड़िया. तेरी मेरी यारी जिस्मां तक है, सारी की सारी यारी यारी. तेरी मेरी यारी जिस्मां तक है, सारी की सारी.
And the crazy fun continued even after we came home. I think with friends, all the time can be absolutely amazing. And put music in there and it's just the perfect recipe. So today, I am getting my makeup done and it is being done by this lovely lady. Ishi, hi Ishi, how are you? Are you excited?
Yes, too much.
और रेडी शेडी होके फिर चले हम गोल्डन टेम्पल.
तेरा सहारा मिल जाए दाता, दुनिया दी परवाह नहीं करदा. जे तेरी एक रहमत हो जाए, जे तेरी एक रहमत हो जाए, बंदे दा हर कम सवरदा. एक तेरा सहारा मिल जाए दाता, दुनिया दी परवाह नहीं करदा. एक तेरा सहारा मिल जाए दाता, दुनिया दी परवाह नहीं करदा.
Golden Temple is an open house of worship for all people from all walks of life and faiths. It has a square plan with 4 entrances and a circumambulation path around the pool. And the important buildings are the Akal Takht, the clock tower, the offices of the Gurudwara committee, a museum, and a langar, a free Sikh community run kitchen that serves a simple vegetarian meal. Over 100,000 people visit the holy shrine daily for worship. We did darshan on both the floors, and please do not miss the Kada Prasad.
This tree is 500 years old.
And finally, the day arrived when we were leaving, but we had to eat the stuffed kulchas and cholas before we bid adieu to Amritsar.